Welcome to our comprehensive review of BitMart Wallet. Whether you're a crypto beginner or an experienced trader, this platform offers a seamless experience for managing your cryptocurrency assets. From its sleek design to its robust security features, BitMart Wallet provides everything you need for efficient and safe crypto transactions. When you first access the BitMart Wallet, you'll notice its user-friendly interface, designed for both novices and seasoned traders. The dashboard provides quick access to your portfolio, including balances for various cryptocurrencies. Setting up the wallet is a straightforward process. Simply download the application, complete the registration, and set up two-factor authentication for added security. You can start by depositing funds or purchasing cryptocurrencies directly within the platform. The wallet supports a wide range of coins and tokens, ensuring flexibility in your crypto investments. BitMart Wallet stands out with its advanced security features. It incorporates industry-standard encryption and cold storage for the majority of assets, minimizing risks associated with online vulnerabilities. Additionally, users can activate withdrawal whitelist settings, ensuring that funds are only sent to approved addresses. This level of security gives users peace of mind when managing their crypto portfolios. Navigating through the wallet, you'll find that the transaction history is detailed and easy to review, helping you keep track of your activities. BitMart also includes integrated trading options, allowing you to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies without leaving the platform. The real-time market data ensures you can make informed decisions, whether you're holding long-term or engaging in day trading. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. BitMart Wallet also offers staking opportunities for select cryptocurrencies, allowing users to earn rewards by participating in network validation processes. This feature appeals to those looking to diversify their income streams within the crypto ecosystem. Furthermore, its mobile app ensures that you can manage your assets on the go, making it a versatile option for traders. The wallet also prioritizes customer support, providing multiple channels for assistance, including live chat and an extensive FAQ section. This commitment to user experience ensures that help is available whenever you need it. If you're serious about crypto and looking for a wallet that combines security, functionality, and accessibility, BitMart Wallet is an excellent choice. Explore its capabilities today and take control of your cryptocurrency journey. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more detailed reviews and like this video if you found it helpful.